The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O, the R, the K. Look yourself in the face. Look yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, are you giving 120% every day? Every play? Give me 120 or don't give me nothing at all. The guy you competing against, you haven't outworked him. You've not outworked the person next to you. You've not out-hustled them. You've not out-grind them. You've not outdone them. You're not locked in. Bring all your passion. Bring heart. Every single game, every single play. Put forth 120% or don't ask nobody to do nothing to you. The W, the O, the R, the K. The W, the O.
What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's Monday morning, man. I feel like I haven't got at you guys in a long time, man. I've been sick. I've been freaking trying to hold it down. But, yo, I think we're on the recovery. I think we're on the mend. I think we're ready to rock and roll, man. But it is Monday. I am so pumped up to be here with you guys today. I am so pumped up and ready to get into this market with you guys because, man, it feels like it's been forever. It feels like I haven't been on here in a while. I have been trying to put out some videos for you guys. I have been trying to put out some shorts for you guys, you know, as I've been trying to work my way through the sickness, man. But it has gotten it was pretty bad, man. It was pretty bad. It was pretty rough. As you guys know from the last time I was on stream, man, I couldn't even hardly make it through. But, yo, we are back. We are back at it. We're going to get through today. Still feel a little bit of the after effects, but not much, man. But hey, what a turnaround in this market, right? What a turnaround in this market, right? Everybody kind of fell off the ledge a little bit, thought the market was going down, thought the market was crashing, thought everything was gonna fall straight down. And man, we're early October, baby. Everybody got to just sit back and chill, dog. We're early October. This is everybody was talking about Pumptober, and then all of a sudden everybody went from Pumptober to Dumptober, man. Come on, man. We're right here. We're early in October. So market's turning around, man, but it is Monday, baby. Let's go. What's up, Junior? Yes, it's Monday. Let's go. What's up, Heat? Good morning, my brother. Good morning, my brother. Good morning, my brother. Yeah, I feel like I haven't been on here forever, I feel like we haven't live streamed in a while, so missed all you guys, man. But yo, life is good, man. Life is good, man. I'm loving where we're at right now in the market. I'm loving where we're headed. I'm loving where we're going. The overall economy seems to be gaining some sort of steam. Seems to be gaining some sort of ground. Like, it seems to be kind of turning a little bit. We had phenomenal job numbers on Friday here in the United States, but I wouldn't put too much stock in them job numbers. I think they're going to get revised next month. I think that they overshot them. I don't know if I necessarily believe the job numbers that they came out with. I think there'll be a revision next month. You'll see a revision downward, but we'll see. We'll see what's up. We'll see what happens. But, yo, I am definitely pumped up to be here with you guys today on this Monday. Get this week started out the right way, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It is Monday. TGIM, baby. Let's go. But we got the Asian markets over here, guys. They closed pretty good. They didn't close too bad at all. Got the European markets. They opened up. They started trading this morning. They started trading pretty well. They looked pretty good. They look pretty good, I should say, right now. They look not terribly strong, but not weak either, right? Not weak. And that's a good thing for a Monday morning. That's a great thing for Monday morning. Got our pre-markets all in red. They don't look that great, but you know what? I think we're going to have a better day than what our pre-markets say. I don't know. It's just when you look at the Asian markets that turned around and then you look at the European markets trading pretty strong, I just think that our market will turn around kind of as they open up. When you look at the bonds we'll go ahead. This is where all the world's debt sits. A lot of the world's debt sits. they're in green. They seem to be gaining some strength as well, which is all a good thing for the market, right? It's all a good thing for the stock market. It's all a good thing for the crypto market. All of this is positive news, which is why I think you'll see these kind of turn around. And you got to remember, our stock market here in the United States, they've been on record runs, right? They've been on record runs, setting record highs. So there will be a pullback. There will be a pullback, but I still think that we're going to jump pretty high here. And you see the stock futures fall a little bit in October, but I think this is going to turn. I think it's going to take a turn here for the better today, this week. Got our Bitcoin ETF over here. Looks like it closed at 35.52 on Friday, right? Which was way down, 35.52. But look at where we're at right now. Look at where we would open right now, 35.71. We're opening up, which should give Bitcoin a lot of strength. Understand that these ETFs, why do we go over them so much? Why are they so important? These ETFs hold 5% of the supply. You know what I mean? Of all of Bitcoin, they own 5% of the supply. That's a huge, huge amount of Bitcoin that these guys own, 5%. So, as these ETFs move, Bitcoin will move because they own so much. Bullish FOMC. I think so. I think FOMC minutes are going to be good. I think we're going to start to see, that staggered interest rate cut. I don't think we're going to get another 50. We'll get 25. I think we're going to get 25 and 25, right? I think we'll get 25 this time, 25 next time. And you know what? That's good enough. That's 75 basis points in 2024. Who would have thought that going into the beginning of 2024 that we would see 75 basis point cut by the end of the year? Not a lot of people would have predicted that. So at the rate of which the economy was and where we're headed, so 75 basis points, if we can get there by the end of the year, is going to be really, really bullish for the market. And I think, we're setting ourselves up for that. Definitely. We needed a 50, and they gave us a 50 right off the bat. Remember, because we were talking about it, and I kept saying, the United States was behind the rest of the world in rate cuts, and they needed a 50 to try to catch up. Somewhere in there, they needed a 50, right? So they came out of the box swinging and gave us a 50 right off the bat, which was really, really good. I thought that was probably the best move. Some of the economists say it was the wrong move, but I think it gave us some leeway in case things don't go necessarily the way that we want them. Kind of gave you some leeway, but I thought coming out of the box swinging was definitely the right way to go. Nvidia making huge moves in the stock market, guys. I can't stress enough how bullish I am on Nvidia right now. They are making absolutely monster moves in AI. That stock price, I don't even know where the top of that thing is going to be. Nvidia is just absolutely making monster moves, man. If you're not loaded up on Nvidia, you might miss the boat. Selmo, my man, what's going on, my man? 50 grand right there. What's up, dog? What's up, dog? But yeah, if you're not loaded up on Nvidia, you might miss the boat. I don't even know where the top of Nvidia is, but what I can tell you is when it comes to AI, they're by far the leader. And AI is about to just take over a lot of these mega 7 stocks, right? AI is getting integrated into everything. You hear Microsoft, they're talking AI. You hear Apple, they're talking AI. You hear Amazon, they're talking AI. All of these guys are talking AI, and who's the leader in AI? It's Nvidia. But I'm telling you, don't sleep on Amazon. Amazon, they have so many different places that they can integrate AI into their production, you know, between shipping, between receiving, between the cloud services they offer, between all of these different services that Amazon offers. You know, AI is going to be a crucial piece to that. And who is going to lead the way on that for them? Probably Nvidia's chips, Nvidia services, things like that. So it's all coming together, right? It's all going to come together, and AI is really where it's at, and Nvidia is leading that way. So I don't know. I keep saying it to you guys, like, don't miss the boat. My man Selma knows what I'm talking about. We all up in Nvidia, like, we're all up in Nvidia, man. So I don't know, man. It is what it is, man. I'm buying all the dips, man. I'm buying all the dips when it comes to Nvidia. But you're getting over here to the cryptocurrency market. We got the cryptocurrency market cap sitting at $2.19 trillion. Definitely a move to the upside. Definitely a move to the upside from the last time we streamed. Like I said, man, I'm so happy to be with you guys today, man. Feels like I haven't been on here forever, man. But you got to take care of yourself. Got to take care of your health first. That's what's important. And had to take care of that. But yeah, moving over to the cryptocurrency market, 2.19 trillion, man, looking good. Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index sitting at 43 right now. Definitely on its way back up. Still sitting in neutral. Yeah, still sitting in neutral. Not bad. Not bad from where we were. We had a little bit of a pullback, but you know, I told you guys I didn't think it was going to 40, maybe 58, 60 up in that area is where all the liquidity was. Kind of went down to 60. Has a strong support at 60. Bounces. It looks like it's bouncing off of 60. Wants to hang out between the high 62s and 63,000 today. Sitting at 62,891 dollars right now. It's up about 1.4% on the day, which isn't bad coming into a Monday. That's not bad coming into a Monday. You know, you'll take that over the weekend, right? You'll take Bitcoin up coming off the weekend. Ethereum, you know, up around the same amount. You start to see before we seen this little separation, and we talked about it on here a little bit between Bitcoin and Ethereum, where Ethereum was kind of outperforming Bitcoin for a couple months. You see they're attached again. You look at it at 1.3% on the day for Bitcoin, and you look at Ethereum at 1.3% on the day as well. They're starting to run really close again, and that's what you want to see in this market. You want to see the top two running pretty close together as far as their gains, and that lets you know that the market's kind of operating how it's supposed to operate, right? It's doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing and what we expected it to be doing. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. BNB sitting here doing its thing, man. Again, running with Bitcoin and Ethereum right around 1.45%. So not too bad. Solana, big on Solana, man. I think Solana is going to be a monster in this bull run. It's just, there's just too much volume over there. You can't deny the volume over there anymore. The meme coin volume is absolutely crazy over there right now. And I don't see it slowing down, you know. The only thing that can hurt Solana right now is if Solana's blockchain goes dark again for a little while. But right now, it's holding up, sitting at 2.1% on the day. But yeah, you can't deny the volume over there. You know, I thought maybe it would teeter off a little bit, but they're just getting stronger and stronger and stronger. XRP, man, oh man. XRP 53 cents. The SEC appealed the case. I put out a short the other day in regards to XRP. I'm a little concerned with XRP, to tell you the truth, with this appeal, because I think they're going to drag this thing out, right? I think they're going to drag this appeal out. I think it's going to hurt XRP. And you guys know I try to give it to you about as straight as I can give it to you, without fanboy and stuff like that. But here's what we know when it comes to XRP Ripple. We know that they're going to spend that escrow to fight this appeal. And that's what always killed me about XRP. I was kind of hoping that it didn't happen. I was kind of hoping that the SEC didn't appeal this. And I was kind of hoping that XRP Ripple did something about this escrow account because, they're going to spend it. And when they spend it, that means that they're dumping XRP into the open market, which dilutes the price. And that has always been the rub with XRP throughout the whole SEC case before, and it'll happen again in the appeal. So I don't know. We're gonna have to wait this one out and see what happens, because if it looks like XRP is gaining a lot of ground in the appeal, and it looks like they're really handing it to the SEC, which very well could happen, right? I think you'll see the XRP price go skyrocket high if they start really handing it to the SEC in this appeal. But if it looks like it's going 50-50, or the SEC is starting to gain a little bit of ground on XRP during this appeal, then XRP is going to be in trouble. That price is going to sink. The XRP price is getting suppressed. It's been suppressed, but here's the problem. The problem with XRP is and always will be the escrow account. It is and always will be the escrow, because Ripple actually dilutes the price. They dilute the price themselves every time they drop money in. Every time they cash out an escrow, they're actually diluting the XRP price, which is actually suppressing the price. So yeah, BlackRock could be suppressing it. A lot of big businesses could be suppressing the XRP price, but Ripple actually suppresses the price itself every time they cash out on an escrow. And they will be cashing out on an escrow to pay for this case. They will be cashing out on escrow. A lot of influencers can get on here, or whatever you want to call us, can get on here and tell you a whole bunch of bullshit. Oh, XRP is going to $1. XRP is doing this. XRP is going to stay around these levels as long as they're cashing out the escrow. That's the math. If you look at the math, that's the math. And as long as they're cashing out the escrow, we're going to be sitting right here. And remember, the case, the SEC versus Ripple case, made XRP sit out of the bull run, the last bull run in 2021. If this appeal doesn't start to go XRP's way, they very well may sit out of this bull run as well. So, and that's just being 100% honest with you. Like, XRP's in a very vulnerable state right now. XRP will moon at some point, Timsky. It will, but not until all of this stuff is behind them. Good morning, Timsky. Good morning, my brother. How are you, man? But not until all of this stuff is behind them. Ken, what's up, my brother? What's up, my brother? I've said it for a long time. They've got to get this stuff behind them. They've got to get this stuff out of the way. The worst thing that could happen to XRP was the SEC appealing it, and that's exactly what happened. Because if this, like I'm telling you, like if this thing doesn't go XRP's way, even positive news, they very well could sit out this bull run. They sat out the last one, so it's not like it hasn't happened before, right? It's not like we're predicting something that didn't already happen, right? They got to get rid. That escrow account kills them. That escrow account kills XRP. It does. People don't want to admit that, right? They don't want to admit it. You'll get a lot of people on here that won't that make videos and stuff that won't admit that the escrow account is what suppresses XRP a lot. But you know, it's the truth. But and a lot of people that won't admit it is because, you know, they're so wrapped up in XRP, they have a lot of their assets in XRP, and they don't want to admit that. But you know, it is what it is. You know, you got to be honest with yourself as well, and you got to do the math. You're right. You got to do the math, and you got to be honest with yourself. But yeah, so I don't know. XRP is very vulnerable state right now. Very, very vulnerable. I can tell you right now that if this market took off today and went from a $2.19 trillion market cap to a $10 trillion market cap, XRP wouldn't see that increase because of this case, because of where they are right now. They would see a pump up, but they wouldn't see as big a pump up as the market. So yeah, I've been holding XRP for a long time, Ken. A long time. We were buying at 33 cents. You know, I've been holding it for a long time. It kind of hurt me to see that the appeal came through, man. And a lot of people, I know people that are still holding XRP from when it was at $1, $2, $3. They're still holding on. They're upside down. They're upside down in it. Unfortunately, they are. Got Tron sitting here at 55 at 15 cents, 15.5. I really like Tron. I think Tron's gonna go. I think Tron's just gonna go. Tonecoin's doing okay. Cardano's another one. I keep waiting for this big upgrade to come out and big upgrade to be released because I think Cardano's a sleeping giant. Yeah, a lot of people are heartbroken over XRP. They really are. You know, it's got so much potential. It's doing everything that the right way, but Case is killing them. Case is killing them. All right, you know, it really is. And you know, like I said, you know, I'm not. I hold XRP, but I'm a realist at the same time. Like it's realistic talk. It's realistic talk, right? Like, you know, I'm not gonna try to sit here and blow sunshine and roses up your ass when in reality, you know, reality is reality, right? And the case has killed them, and they're gonna spend the escrow, and that's gonna dilute the price. SHFL. SHFL. All right. Remind me later. Remind me later, Timsky. Fairground, what's going on, man? What's going on? Good morning, Fairground. But you know, I don't know. I know we get into a lot of XRP talk, but you know, I just I don't know. They're gonna dilute the price. That's the problem, man. It's the problem, man. That escrow is always the problem, and nobody wants to talk about it. You know, XRP, it's vulnerable right now. It's just vulnerable. Like they could come out of this thing smelling like roses, right? They really could. XRP could come out of this thing smelling like roses and, you know, take off, right? And take off in 1,000x, right? They could, right? It could go the other way too. It could go the other way too. All right, Fairground. Fairground, how the hell are you, brother, man? How the hell are you? I hope you're doing good, man. I hope everybody's doing good in your family as well. But you know, it could go the other way. XRP definitely could go the other way. Yeah, thank you, Junior. Everybody hit that like button. Hit that like button, man. But AVAX is another one that I really like for this bull run. I think AVAX is going to perform really well, but I do think that Cardano is a sleeping giant here. You know, I do think that Cardano is a sleeping giant. We all good? All right, Fairground. Thanks, brother. But yeah, I think Cardano's a sleeping giant. I like AVAX. AVAX got a lot of stuff going on, real world assets, all that stuff, gaming. I like where AVAX sits right now. Look at SHIB trying to do a little something, up 3.4% today. Look at SHIB, baby. Chainlink, $11.33, up, underperforming the market, only up 0.6%, underperforming the overall market. So AVAX and SHIB. Yeah, they were the big winners. AVAX and SHIB were. Polkadot, you guys know I like Polkadot sitting at $4.16. Still underperforming the market, right? Underperforming the market. Sui is making moves, man. Listen, we don't talk about Sui enough, man. But it's up 13.2%, right? Sui is making moves, man, up to $1.95 right now. Here's what I want you guys to watch out for. Here's what I'm watching out for, right? So we know that Sui's blockchain is absolutely gaining a tremendous amount of headwind here, right? Of tailwind, I mean, like really moving. Pi is up. Pi is up to $44. Can you sell it yet, though, Junior? Can you sell it yet? That's the problem. Can you sell it? So here's what I want you guys to watch out for when it comes to Sui. Sui's blockchain is really, really making moves. But what I'm watching for is Sui when they start to launch the meme coins on the blockchain, right? So think about, it's kind of like Casper, right? When you sit back and you think about it, it's kind of like Casper. Casper is starting to gain a lot of ground, right? When it comes to this crypto space. And so isn't Sui. So what's going to happen when Casper and Sui start to launch projects on their blockchain, right? So the more and more people they bring over, the more and more people that are going to be invested in these meme coins, in these projects over here on these blockchains. I'm really, really interested to see how projects do that launch on Sui. I think they're going to run. And remember how I am about first runners, right? This is why we talk about Sundog on Tron so much, because it's the first mover on Tron. What's going to be the first mover on Sui? Because that might hit $1 billion market cap, right? That might hit $1 billion. But Sui and Casper are really the two blockchains right now going into this bull run that nobody knows how they're going to perform because they have never been through a bull run before, right? To this magnitude, right? So Sui is absolutely blowing the doors off of this market. It is up 13.5% 24 hours. They are blowing the doors. They're outperforming Casper. You know what I'm saying? And Casper had all of the tailwind. They had all of the tailwind coming into this bull run. But Sui's starting to suck a lot of that tailwind up, and it's really starting to move. It's really, really starting to move right now. So when they start launching their projects, it's going to get real interesting. I'm going to get in their meme coins over there just because I think they're going to run. I think they're going to be phenomenal money movers, right? I don't know how well the projects will do, and it's all about money in the end of the day. But look at Pepe, 9.3%. Let's go ahead and let's look at this, right? So here's the thing. I keep telling you guys, meme coins, I think right now are where the money is, right? We're not moving into altcoins yet, right? We're just not there yet. We're not in altcoin season yet. Meme coins are still where the money is right now, where people are making money. You look at, Dogecoin up 2.1%, SHIB up 3.2%. You look at Pepe. Look at Pepe up 9.3%. Performing pretty well in 24 hours. You look at Dogwood Hat up 16.9%. 15.9% right now. Dogwood Hat has absolutely been smoking this market lately. About the past week or so, they've been killing this market, man. You look at Bonk up 9.8%. Papa Cat, I'm not in Papa Cat, but it's up 11.1%. But Dogwood Hat, man, has been absolutely performing, absolutely phenomenal in this market. It is really, really gaining ground over there. Floki up 4.6%. So you look at Brett right now, up 6.7%. The money is over here right now. And what'll happen is you got to be ready for this transition to happen, right? What people are going to make a shit ton of profit over here, and they're going to start moving it to the altcoins. You got to get ready for this transition to happen. Now, when that transition happens, nobody's going to know. Like, you got to just start paying attention to the outflows of the money. But people are not going to just leave their profits sitting in the meme coins, right? Eventually, they're going to move them to more stable assets over here in the altcoin sector, right? So when the meme coins, the money starts to move, what's going to happen is the market's going to start to move up, and then people are going to start moving these profits over up in here into these top 100. And then that's when you're going to get a massive altcoin run. And that's when we're all going to be cashing out. That's when we're all going to be rich, right? That's the moment. That's the moment that we're waiting for, right? That right there is the moment. But that's how it's going to work. That's why when you look at these meme coins, you always got to pay attention to the flows. What's the market cap? Where are they going? How are they looking? Because when these top meme coins start to see less volume, you're going to be able to come over here and look at the altcoins, and you're going to see their volume go up. All right, Junior, man, have a good one, man. TGIM, baby. Thank God it's Monday. Let's go. Let's go. So, yeah, we come over here. We look at these this 24-hour dates, this 24-hour chart, the bubbles here. They tell us the same thing, right? Like, these things are up, man, and the market is looking really good. You come over here to the hour. Like, when we first started streaming, the hour was red. It was red. So you can start to see the market turn a little bit within the hour. You can start to see, some things starting to turn around, man. You can start to see the market turn around as the morning starts to move around. But, Hex and Pulse Chain has actually, they've been getting some nice push-ups. About the last week and a half, Hex and Pulse Chain has absolutely started. It's a slow incremental grind that they're on to the upside, So they got stuff going on over there. Like, that blockchain is starting to heat up a little bit. Don't count Hex and Pulse Chain out yet. Just don't. I'm telling you, don't count them out yet. They very well could make a good run here as this market starts to turn. They very well could make a big run, big run. We'll see. We got to get some projects over there, right? Though they got to get some projects over there launching on the Pulse Chain. They got to get a lot of meme volume over there. They got to get a lot of projects over there. Got to get a lot of people to launch the Pulse contracts over there and start putting liquidity over there. But with all that going on, we all know that Richard Heart's not going to lay down either. He's not just going to lay down and let the market run by him. He's going to do something, and it looks like they're getting some volume. Bitcoin's starting to come up a little bit, 62.7, 63,000 when I woke up this morning. So come down a little bit from early this morning, but we're trading pretty good right now. Trading pretty good. Let's go ahead and get into some of this news. The UAE UAE has been very, very aggressive on cryptocurrency and not taxing it, right? Trying to get the crypto millionaires over there in the UAE, trying to be that crypto safe haven for people. And they exempt crypto now from taxes, right? From this tax, right? So again, they're moving on a course where they're trying to, the UAE is really trying to be appealing to these crypto millionaires and these people that hold a crap ton of crypto to come on over there and set up shop. And they're not going to tax the hell out of them. You know, people can take, other countries can probably take some advice from the UAE on how to treat crypto and how to treat these new assets and how to tax them, right? Because if you notice, a lot of the crypto millionaires are headed to the UAE, right? Because of the tax laws. So and they just got a little bit better. So be aware, guys. Like, you know, the UAE is making moves when it comes to crypto. They're embracing it. This is big. As Japan starts to get more and more into crypto and they start to open up their trading platforms over there and they start to open up all that stuff, you got Japan's Metaplane. They buy 6.7 million worth of Bitcoin, right? This is huge. This is a big deal, right? Because Bitcoin's going to be institutionalized, right? The institutions will own the majority of Bitcoin. Call it what you want. You know, it is what it is, and you know, just it just is what it is. You know, Bitcoin has become very institutionalized now. But what you want to see is these institutions really scooping it up. And you look at Japan, man. This Metaplan, 6.7 million worth of Bitcoin. That's some big purchases, right? And as long as they hold on, baby, you know, that price is going to go up. And the good thing about institutions holding it is they can hold it a little bit more longer than retail investors. You know, they just can. They have more assets. They're not looking to really dump things. So as much as we don't really like institutions to really come in here and buy up all the crypto, yeah, that's what's happening. That's what's going on. That's you know, the institutions are coming in here and they're buying up all the crypto. They're buying all these dips. Don't let them fool you. They're buying it, and not only in Bitcoin, they're buying Ethereum, they're buying Solana, they're buying the big ones. These institutions are really scooping up a lot of crypto. Bitcoin miner, Marathon, huge Bitcoin mining operation. Yo, they're going to launch a real world asset platform. This is big for real world assets because Marathon has enough money behind them really to make this thing successful, right? And when we talk about cryptocurrency projects, what's the death of a cryptocurrency project? The lack of funding, right? A lot of these projects launch, they have great ideas, they have great technology behind them, but they don't have the cash flow, right? They just don't have the cash flow to pull things off. But Marathon does have the cash flow, and they're launching a real world asset platform, and they're starting with whiskey. They're starting with whiskey. So believe you me, again, you have institutions like Marathon, right, coming in, launching these platforms for real world assets and trying to push the cryptocurrency market forward, right? This is a big deal because Marathon is not a small company. And when you talk about wanting to launch a real world asset on the blockchain, are you going to go to a small startup? Are you going to go to the Marathon platform? You know, I don't know. When you look at it and you're trying to secure your bag and you're trying to secure your project and you're trying to secure your money, 9 times out of 10, you're going to go to the place that you know has enough money to keep this project moving, right? So Marathon definitely is doing something innovative here when it comes, because they were just a Bitcoin miner. You know, they're just a Bitcoin mining operation. Now they're stepping into the world of actually launching a real world asset platform, which is absolutely great for the space. I think it's great for the space. I think that when big money starts to come up and big money really starts to move into this space, that's when you're going to see this space really take off. You know, I really believe that. You know, so you know, we'll play it out, see what happens, right? Yo, get into a couple new tokens today too that I got into kind of while I was sick and laying around. So, um, kind of look at them, see where they're at, see where they're going. Um, and then of course our trusted tokens here that we look at all the time. New one I got into on base is called Brian. Um, Sitting at 384 K right now. Definitely this thing has been holding on. I mean, when you look at it since its launch, we're on an hourly chart, so it's a couple days old, right? It's definitely had a pretty good support for it called Brian. Like I said, sitting at 384K right now, 884K holders, with huge holder count in a 24-hour trading volume of 66.5K. So there's a lot of money moving through this token right now, and I'm in it. Got in it. You know, I got in it. I don't know. I want to say somewhere over here when I was laying on the couch, but definitely like where they're headed. They seem to want to. They seem to recover the chart every time it goes down. They seem to be able to recover it, which is something I like to see. So Brian over there on base, you know, not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. It's hanging in there. And I like the launch. So Turbo's not doing too bad either. You know, sitting at 205, not doing too bad. Definitely market cap starting to come up, 413 million. Big market cap there, but Turbo's seeing a lot of volume come through it right now. And you know, it's hanging in there a lot better than a lot of other meme coins. So I like where Turbo's at. Crash, you guys know I'm a huge Crash fan. I think Crash in the bull run is absolutely going to be massive. Sitting at 8.17 million right now. Sitting at 85.8K holders. But you know, you look at Brian, the one I just got into, it's sitting at 88K holders, and it's only a couple days old. And you look at Crash, it's sitting at 85.8K holders. So Brian's definitely making some big moves over there. So like what Brian's doing, but love what Crash is doing. Um, you know, I think Crash is going to make massive moves here in the bull market. You know, I just it's one of the ones that I'm high on. It's one of the ones that, you know, if I was going to pick, you know, one of them that would do a, you know, 10 to 20x in the bull market, Crash would definitely be on that list. Definitely be on that list. Uh, Timmy, not doing too bad. Timsky, why aren't you and Timmy? It kind of rhymes. 281K right now. 200 and 205K holders. Not doing too bad. Um, you know, but it's not moving the way that I thought that Timmy would move either. So I thought that Timmy would move a little bit better than what it is moving right now. Um, so you know, we'll see where Timmy goes. Bonk, you know, we talked a little bit about Bonk. We talked about Bonk getting up to this 2-3 level and being able to hold it. Um, it got there, pulled back a little bit, got there right about there, pulled back a little bit. This 2-3 level for Bonk, if it can get there and it can start to use that as support, yo, Bonk's gonna take off, man. Bonk's gonna take off. I do believe that. I'm a big Bonk supporter. Uh, Nova AI is another one that I found over as I was sitting around being sick, right? Again, over there on the base chain, it's only sitting at 234K right now, 51K holders. What I like about Nova AI is this is a bot, um, and it gives you plays. It scans the blockchain. It uses AI technology to scan blockchain and it scans wallets as well, to let you kind of give you a little bit of an insight as to, like, to say this token right here might make it because these wallets are investing in it, or you know, it meets our AI criteria. So it searches through all of these meme tokens. I believe right now it's on base in Ethereum, getting ready to move into Solana as well. In the coming weeks, I think I heard him say that they were moving into Solana. So Nova AI is another one that we kind of got into that I think is interesting. Definitely at a low market cap, 231K. But yeah, definitely one that I'm interested to see where it goes. Um, see if they can pull this off. Right, the bot's already out; it's already working. So um, that's one of the reasons I invested in it. The bot's actually already working. It's on 17%. Yeah, I love crypto. I love turbo, man. I love to. I think the turbo, man. I think that turbo can make a huge move. He I don't think turbo has met its potential yet. Um, I think it's got a lot of positive movement in it still. Um, because when more people start to come into crypto, they're going to be looking for these solid plays, and Turbo's one of them. Turbo's one of them. Punk's one of them. We know Bonk's one of them. Brett's one of them. Pepe's one of them. They're going to be looking for these positive plays. But I think Turbo, man, Turbo is one of these projects that I just think I think it's got a lot more upside in it. A lot more upside in it. Moodang. Moodang. We might look at that, Selma. But Pepe, same thing. I mean, you look at Pepe, same thing, yeah. Uh, Pepe got it zero back, right? I mean, it took it zero back. It's in that 1-0, 4 zeros, 1-0, 1-0, 2-0, right? The whole key with Pepe is can it hold it, right? You see, the past couple of hours is starting to come down a little bit, right? Can it hold it, right? Can it hold on? And that is really, really the key for Pepe. But I do think Pepe is one of these ones that are huge. Brett, will it get back to a billion? I think it'll get back to a billion, no problem. I think that's an easy call right there, sitting at 8.7, 8 cent 7. I think that's an easy call for Brett to get back to a billion and beyond. Let's see, where's Jasmine? Last time I seen it was 1.9. Jasmine sitting at 2 cents right now. Uh, Struggling to hold on to 2 cents, right? Struggling to hold on to 2 cents. But that 2-3 level, we talk about it all the time, is definitely the level that we need to that Jasmine needs to get to. It's got to hold on to that 2-3 level. It's having a hard time doing that. Um, but I think it will. I think it will. Sundog doing his thing, man. 23 cents right now, sitting at $236 million market cap. Uh, you know, so this thing is 446 K holders right now. Yo, this is another one right here. Sundog. I don't think I think that this thing is just starting to meet its potential. I you know I think Sundog's going to be one of these ones that when you turn around and you look at it, when we get to the bull market, you're going to turn around and look at it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, Selma? When you turn around and look at it, man, when they turn around and look at it, it's going to be one of these ones that, when it's going to be, who it's going to be, people are going, to look at it and be like, oh, we missed that. But, you only missed it if you just sat back and you didn't do anything. Because it's right here. It's right here. You know, it's still at a low market cap. Is it this one? Is it this one, Selma? Is this what we're looking at? Is this what we're looking at, Selma? 45 million. This thing at 45 million. This is what we're looking at, Selma. 45 million. Moodang. wrapped ETH. This on base. This wrapped ETH. This on base. 301120. Is this it, Selmo? You gotta tell me yes or no, Selmo. Is this it? Is this what we're looking at? 46.4 million. Looks to be a hell of a project. 7.16K holders. 24-hour trading volume of 11.05 million. That's a hell of a lot of trading volume. 24 hours, 11 million. They're pushing volume through that token right there. That's a lot. That's a lot of trading volume. That's it. Yeah, okay. This thing is performing, man. This got to be on base. It's wrapped Ethereum, so it's got to be on base. Mudang. 47 mil. What'd this start at? Let's see. Let me see something here. What'd this start at? Let's go to the daily. This started what? What's that? 607? 607? So this thing's dropped already 3 zeros already. This thing's 1,000x already. This thing's up 1,000x. If it launched at 6 zeros, that's what I'm seeing right here. Yeah, it's a 6. This thing's 1,000x already. That's crazy. Yeah. So damn, Selmo. How early did you get in this, Selmo? I'm gonna watch this one. Thing's already at 1,000x. I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna put that one on the watch list. It's only at 49 million. So this thing, 1,000x, can't. See, we can go back to Chili's. This is Mudang. Oh, you're not in it yet? SHFL. Is it this one right here, Timsky? Is this what we're looking at? I watched it, Selmo. I put it on my watch list. I'm gonna watch that. Is this what we're looking? Oh crap! What happened? SH. Is this it, Timsky? Is this the one? This is the one right here. What we got? It's been out for a while. Because we're on a daily chart here, so it's been out for a while. 57.3 mil. 2.8K holders. 24-hour volume, 761K. It's putting good volume through the blockchain. Where's this at? Is this says USDC? I just have the USDC chart. Putting good volume through the blockchain. Doesn't have a lot of holders though. 2.8K. Not a lot of holders there. 57.3 mil. Not a lot of holders there, man. Scottish, what's up, my brother? What's up, man? What's up? How are you, Scottish? How are you, brother? What's going on there, Sonny, brother? I'm gonna look into this one, Timsky. I'm gonna look into this one. I'm gonna save it right now. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna look into it. Holder count's not right. Holder count's not where it needs to be though. Uh, let's see. Let's see if we can get the Chili's. What we got? What we got for Fairground over here? What's Chili's look like? What's Chili's look like, man? I haven't looked at Chili's and I don't know how long. Fairground. I haven't looked at Chili's and I don't know. Let's pull the chart back for a month here. Let's see where we're at. Sitting at 6 cents right now. Sitting at 6 cents. Volume 24 hours. It's up. It's up. 0.3%. 625 thousand 24-hour volume. Not bad. Not bad. Chili's not bad. Let's pull this thing back. Let's see what it looks like. Let's pull this thing back. Chili's been around for a while. Whoo, Fairground. That thing been down over a year. I haven't seen Chili's in a while. But looks like it's performing well over the month. Looks like it's performing pretty well. Pull it back over a year though. It looks like it got hurt. Looks like it got hurt over the past 12 months, but looks like it's starting to dig itself out. Looks like it's starting to dig itself out of a hole. Looks like it's starting to dig itself out. Not bad. Not bad. Looking green. Yeah, it's looking green today. The month's not looking that bad. Looks like it's starting to dig itself out of the hole that it's built itself over the past month here. So it looks like I had a nice run up over in here. When was this? September 20 something. Looks like I had a nice run up. Hope you cashed out. Some over in here, Fairground. Price was at what? 6.9. Not too bad. Not too far off from where it is right now. Chili's don't look too bad. Chili's looks like Chili's looks like it's digging itself out. Looks like it's making moves, man. It'll be back. It will. Chili's has got a real following to it. Francis, what's up? What's up? What's up? So yeah, we got a nice little market going on right now. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna get off of here because I got to go to work here. But we'll get off of here in a minute. But let's take another peek at this market right now. See what's going on over the hour. Looking green, man. Looking good, man. Looking like the market wants to have a good day, man. But I'm telling you guys, watch out for Sui, man. But not only watch out for Sui, but watch out for the first big meme project to launch off of Sui. I think it'll send. Sui has been killing the market. They have been killing this market, man, when it comes to blockchains. Richard Hart. Yeah, we were just talking about that. We talked about that a little bit earlier about Hex and Pulse Chain. They've really been gaining ground over the past 2 weeks. They really have been starting to move the market a little bit for themselves. And it's nice to see. I think there's a lot going on over there. I keep telling people, don't sleep on Pulse and Hex just yet. Don't sleep on them just yet. I think that that they're starting to really gain some ground over there in that hex ecosystem. So it's and it's happening at the right time. You know, as the market starts to turn, as everything starts to move to a positive, hex is starting to turn around right at the right time. So you know, I like hex, I like pulse, chain. I think they're gonna I think there's a bigger plan over there, and I think it's gonna be good, man. I think it's gonna be good. Yeah, Francis, we had a rough year, man, but we here, baby. We here, man. I think so. Francis. I think we're here, man. I think this year we're turning that corner, man. I just hope that everybody was buying up during the bear market, because there's millionaires incoming, baby. There's millionaires in. If you were buying the whole bear market, millionaires are incoming. Like there's no doubt about it. There's too much big money in crypto right now for this thing not to run. At some point at 2025. There's too much big money in. But watch out for Sui, guys. It's something. It's Kaspa and Sui are gonna make monster runs in this bull market. Monster runs, man. Gotta remember, man, all the rest of these blockchains have been through this bull run before. Kaspa and Sui are kind of new to this thing, man. And people are looking for that new shiny toy, right? And yeah, they found it. Kaspa and Sui. I've been swing trading. I swing trade a lot too, Francis. I actually, when the market was when Bitcoin went down to 60, right around 60K, I put in a long on Bitcoin with very low leverage. I let it sit there. I put in a long on Ethereum, same way, very low leverage. I let it sit there. I put in a long on Solana, again with very low leverage, and I'll just let it sit there. I put a long in on Tron and just letting it sit there. Put a long in on Cardano because I think Cardano's a sleeper here. I think it's going to take off. Put a long in on Avalanche. Go down through here. I can tell you guys exactly what I put longs in on. I put a long in on Sui. Again, I use very, very low leverage. Whiff. Oh yeah, Whiff is killing it, man. Whiff is killing it right now. I put a long in on Sui. Again, low leverage, guys. Put a long in on Pepe when it got down here to 5 zeros. I think it was 508. I put a long in down in that area right there. Again, low leverage, guys, because these are these long-term longs that I'm putting in that I'm just kind of waiting on and just letting them sit there and marinate and do their thing. Dog with hat, I put a long in on with low leverage. I think it was like right around $1.40, $1.30, somewhere up in there. And I'm just letting these things just sit there and marinate, like, because as the market takes off, you're gonna want me personally. I'm gonna want them longs in. I put that one on Bonk too. Same thing, low leverage, just so that I have a lot of room. There's a lot of play room in there, right? There's a lot of room for movement in there. But I want to hit that. I want to hit that up, right? So, using low leverage here because the market's so volatile, right? So, but yeah, I definitely loaded up on this last pullback is when I decided, all right, the market's going to turn. We're going to get ready to really moon here. So let me go ahead and throw all of these longs in here with very low leverage and ride this out. Yo, Timsky, man, that's crazy, man. That's crazy, man. So yeah, I like it. But all right, guys, we gonna get up out of here, man. I gotta get back, I gotta get to work. But yeah, we're gonna get up out of here for the day, man. It's been great being back with you guys, man. I was sick for, like you guys know, I was sick for a little while. And you know, but man, it feels so good to be back. It feels so good to be streaming with you guys. It feels so good to just be able to get back on here and just talk crypto with you guys, man. And I can't wait. I can't wait to do this thing again on Wednesday, man, and get back after it. Yo, this market, man. Embrace this market right now, guys. Embrace this market. It looks really, really good right now. It looks like we're turning the corner. Don't worry about, you know, the little pullbacks we have and stuff. We're gonna have them, but man, the market itself looks like it's really, really strong, man. Looks like and we're definitely moving in the right direction. Going into the fourth quarter of this year, I still think that we're gonna have a pump, a very, very positive October, a pumptober. I know some people are freaking out right now. Oh my God, Pumptober, and we had a pullback. It's the 7th day of the month. Chill, homie. Just chill, homie. We're gonna be good, man. But yeah. So let's go ahead, man. Let's enjoy this day. Get after it, man. Look at these crypto markets. Look at where you want to start putting some of your money. Also, guys, I keep telling you guys, don't sleep on NVIDIA, man. I'm telling you, there's gonna be a lot of money to be made at NVIDIA. There's going to be a lot of money to be made in Amazon. There's going to be a lot of money to be made at Microsoft. You know, don't sleep on these guys as AI starts to roll itself out and really integrate into your everyday lives. Don't fight it, embrace it, and invest in it and make some money off of it, because it's really going to start to boom here. And as this market starts to turn. So with that, we'll be at you guys on Wednesday, man. You guys have a great day. Be safe out there. Be smart. Make smart investments. Do your thing. Let's make some money. We got millionaires incoming over here, baby. This is the millionaire crew. So we up out of here, and we'll be back on Wednesday. Bye.